This dish is called Kasharli Tavuk, which means Kashar cheese chicken in English. Kashar is a certain type of cheese used in making this dish. In South Africa, its equivalent would be mozzarella cheese. This is chicken in a creamy white sauce smothered in mozzarella cheese and cooked until it's nice and saucy. This is my version of making it, so let's get started. Wash, clean and cut 1 kg of chicken fillet and then add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Add in 1 teaspoon of rough salt, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, and 1.5 cups of full cream yogurt. Mix well and allow to marinate for about 2 hours. When you're ready to cook, add in about 8 tablespoons of sunflower oil to a saucepan. Wait for the oil to heat and then add in your chicken that was marinating. Allow this to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes on high heat, allowing the chicken to cook until almost dry. While the chicken is cooking, let's make our sauce in a separate pot. Start by adding 3 tablespoons of butter ghee and 3 tablespoons of flour. To this, also add in 3 cups of full cream milk and allow this to simmer on medium to low heat. Use a whisk to mix everything together so that it doesn't get clumpy. While the sauce is cooking, add in 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of crushed coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chicken spice, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of crushed red chilies, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and whisk this all together until the milk slightly thickens. Remember that the sauce will thicken as it cools as well, so you don't want it to get too thick. Remove from the stove and allow to cool once you've achieved the desired consistency. Getting back to our chicken that's cooking, once you see a little water remaining in the pot, add in half a cup of mixed peppers, and here I've got green, yellow, and red. To this, also add in 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Allow to cook for another 5 to 10 minutes until the peppers have softened. Once the peppers have softened, add in the white sauce that we made earlier and use as desired. Drizzle half a cup of mozzarella cheese over the white sauce. Garnish with some chopped coriander and allow to steam for about 5 minutes until the cheese has melted. You can serve this with Turkish right bulgur wheat, mashed potatoes, but I like to add the Indian twist and I'm serving this with parathas. Elevate your dinner game, fire up that stove and give this Kasharli Tavuk a try today. Your taste buds will thank you.